As we move throughout the day, temperatures will climb again. We are expecting the 40s. If you're wondering if we made it to 50 yesterday, well, officially, no. We only saw 49 degrees. We have not seen 50 so far this year. We did have 50, though, back in December. Plenty of clouds moving and also above the fog, and also looking at the chance for some light drizzle this morning, but future forecast really showing not much moisture moving through the area. So don't be surprised to get a little bit of drizzle or a light sprinkle. Otherwise, we'll keep it cloudy throughout the day, even though our temperatures will still get into the 40s this afternoon. Most of us will be looking at the mid 40s later today. You can see 40s even farther inland, even also towards the lakeshore, and then for Milwaukee, 46 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Now, as we move into tonight, though, a whole different story. Skies clear out, so temperatures will fall into the mid 20s. Our high on Monday, only 34 degrees. That's about where we're at right now this morning. And then you can see, though, thank goodness, we start to warm up a bit more. We do fall to 19 Monday night. Tuesday, though, back at 40 degrees, still breezy, and then looking at a mix of clouds and some sunshine for the rest of the week with highs at least in the low 40s and lows in the 30s. So be prepared for some fog this morning. Also windy, too. I'll have more on the winds coming up in just a bit.
Okay, thank you so much.